3950 Blackstone Avenue. Very nice area. Nice quiet building. Building has elevator, laundry, parking.
Welcome to 3950 Blackstone. This is apartment 1P. This is a 2-bed, 2-bath on the first floor of an elevator building. So management is in the middle of repairing this unit, as you can see. As soon as you walk in over here, we're going to have this super large and long living and dining area. Got a lot of length here, super large. Over here we've got a back door to a shared courtyard. Very nice. Moving on over here, straight ahead, we're going to have the kitchen, and then we'll have the 2 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms. On our left-hand side, we're going to have the pantry. This is going to be your kitchen, nice and white. Got beautiful white cabinets, countertops. Got your dishwasher right there. Gas stove. Fridge is coming. Will be right over here, and you've got room for your eat-in right over here. Moving on over here, we're going to have our sliding door closet in the hallway. We've got another closet right over here. Now over here we're going to have the first bedroom. This is the smaller of the 2. Lights are currently out. This bedroom can fit a king size. Nice large bedroom. And you've got your closet in the corner. Moving on over here, we're going to have the full bathroom. As you can see, this is in the middle of getting redone. Got a brand new vanity, sink, cabinet, everything all new. Now over here we have the master bedroom. Lights are out here as well. This bedroom can fit a king size. You've got your closet right there, sliding door closet. And this bedroom has the ensuite bathroom. Got your stand-up shower right there. More look. Thanks for watching.